This is the second of two Asian-themed journals. Again, the cover has paper beads that I found. It was a necklace from a thrift shop find. Hand embroidered, made in China, but hand embroidered piece. This is a original piece that I picked up painting while I was traveling in China. This is a bookmark, also handmade, purchased in China. The detail is just unbelievable. All hand cuts and all hand embossed and painted. A couple journaling cards, embellished with some washi tape. Again, more original hand paintings, not done by me, but by somebody in China. Another of those handmade, hand-cut bookmarks. This I wanted to show you because it is Artie Mays images that I just embellished with some trim and material. This journal also contains 3 separate journals or signatures, depending on how you look at it. Each of the 3 is pamphlet stitched. I believe this is Artie Mays. Yes, it is Artie Mays. As this image here. This is one of her tickets from the Asian Fusion digital collection, as is this ticket here. This is a pocket, which I thought looked somewhat Asian themed. Butterflies. Place to journal. More journaling cards. This background was from that Asian themed calendar that I had, and some pretty washi tape. Origami paper embellished with washi tape. Tea-dyed paper. Journaling opportunities. This was Franken paper that I had made, again embellished on the sewing machine. Placed a journal. I believe this image here was from the downloaded from the New York Public Library public domain area. Just journaling card opportunities. This is an Artie Mays tag, as is this paper here. This image is from Artie Mays, as is this one. Also this. This is a pocket with Artie Mae's paper. And one of the tabs that she provides. Trinkets. More journaling cards. This was from a greeting card that I embellished with some washi tape and Artie Mae's journaling tickets. This is also Artie Mae's. This is another one of those hand-cut dragons that I purchased. Tea-dyed paper. Artie Mae's tickets. Some of my favorite embossed onion skin paper. This is a pocket. This is Artie Mae's paper, as is this image right here. This is Artie Mae's. More of my Franken paper that I made into a little journaling book. This is Artie Mae's. As are these. Little flip-up journaling opportunity. Just a little embellishment, paper clipped on. Let's see. This is a bookmark purchased in China. A little paperclip embellishment that I made out of Artie Mae's tickets. Journaling card embellished with Artie Mae's images. This is some pretty washi tape I'm finally getting to use. This is a Artie Mae's tag journaling spot. The pocket here. Another one of my paper clipped embellishments. This one actually contains a pocket with a journaling opportunity. This Artie Mae's ticket went so well with this particular calendar page. Little flip up. A journaling flip made with back with some Artie Mae's paper. One of her tickets, and just this page embellished with also with some of her images from the Asian Fusion download. This is the second journal, tuck spot, journaling opportunities. More trinkets. This is a journaling card in the download. This is also Artie Mae's. Some journaling cards. Another tuck spot. This is one of the envelopes she provides. I further embellished it with some washi tape, some machine stitched embroidery. Also on some of her journaling cards that I embellished with some fabric as well as some of her tickets. Another little journaling book. Origami paper. Let's see, 3 little journaling cards. These were Artie Mae's tickets, embellished and backed them up with some fabric. More journaling opportunities. Tea dyed paper. That's Artie Mae's. As is this paper here. This I just stitched on the sewing machine. Another little journaling book. Artie Mae's tickets. Some of her paper. This was a digital download from the New York Public Library. More journaling opportunities. Pocket. This was a greeting card. Journaling cards. And finally, the third journal. Another embellished paper clip. Some of the Artie Mae's images printed on onion skin paper and backed onto heavier stock. Ribbon, washi tape, trinkets. A fabric made, belly band made of fabric. Origami paper embellished with some washi tape. This is from that calendar. This is some scrapbook paper embellished with some of those Chinese coins. Plant that my sister grows. Pocket showing some trees in blossom. Belly band. Envelope, vellum envelope with a journal card inside. Pretty paper with some inclusions. I think this is the last of the hand-cut dragons that I have. This is from the Artie Mays digital download. As are these. Another pocket that's in the download, as is this image on this ticket. This one as well as this larger ticket. This is also in the download. This was a greeting card, stitched around it with an empty needle, and just did some hand embossing on it. More of my Franken paper that I made into a little booklet and embellished with some Chinese coins. Journaling cards, greeting card, Artie Mays image, and finally just some journaling card opportunities. That concludes this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.